For my tiny house, I found some cheap Japanese cedar, so I had a go at the Japanese method Shosugiban. I gave the wood a decent char with a gas torch. This charred finish preserves the wood and protects it from insects. The result is a dark finish with a rich texture. To install it is the same as any other cedar. I used copper nails and clinch nails on the tongue of the shiplap board. I found that burning the cedar helped to hide the knots and imperfections. I had a go at a different finish, which involves scraping the ash off to highlight the grain of the wood. This process is incredibly messy. A good trick I found is to use an offcut of a flashing so that if you miss the nail, it doesn't damage the cedar. After oiling the scraped finished cedar, it initially had a very dark, almost black tone, but then after a few months on the house, it picked up a very warm tone. The worst thing about this technique is that it takes ages.